not wearing the dress. I'm wearing the dress because his boobs and underpants. Oh, this very hard. How? Hi. Hi, my name is Yasmin. I'm Isabel. We are sisters. Me and Lola. Look. Beautiful. And this is the teddy bear. His friend. Hey, bye bye. Bye bye, see you.